Because what you want to do with some good sausages, we're going to do a rigatoni alla norcina. Let's go. Ingredients for today, of course, the rigatoni, salsiccia italiana, Italian sausage, onions, olive oil, a bit of garlic, heavy cream, Parmigiano, Reggiano or Grana Padano, good one fresh, and black pepper. Little bit of garlic. Clean the garlic, guys. The whole garlic, because we're gonna remove it after, okay? We're gonna slice the onion. I like the onion thin, so we're gonna slice it thin. Put the onions inside the pan, add the extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna turn it on. This portion, guys, is for one person, and then we're just gonna put one sausage. If you wanna do for more people, just add extra. Let's turn this off for a second, and let's go and cut the sausage. We're gonna open the sausage. This is a really nice Italian sausage, so it has a little bit of fennel inside. Put the sausage inside like this. We're gonna turn this on again. So this recipe is called La Norcina because the recipe comes from a city called Norcia in Umbria that is very, very famous for their sausage. At this point, I like to add a little bit of water. I don't want the sausage really to become too brown. Actually, they need to caramelize. So what I'm doing, I put a little bit of water and I keep cooking there. Nice and brown. All right. A little bit more water. Add a little bit of white wine to deglaze the pan. At this point, I remove the garlic. Add the heavy cream. Okay, just add it. Okay, you need to cover the whole sausages. And then you need to cook it and reduce it. Cook it and reduce it. Black pepper. Okay, all you have to do is let it go very gentle, very little. Don't you love it already? I know you guys American, you love cream. And this is the perfect pasta for you. The sauce is ready. Okay? And we're gonna turn it off. Meanwhile, our water is magically boiling. Remember guys, the salt, it's very important. It gives a lot of flavor. And you need to have enough water to taste this almost like the ocean. No, not too much. But you know, because today I'm just cooking for myself. The rigatoni, I'm gonna use about 140 grams of pasta. This pasta only cooked for 4 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put the pasta inside, okay? And voila, look at that. Look at this water. Look at this pasta, it's beautiful. Our pasta is ready, guys. I can't wait to eat this. Rigatoni alla norcina. Some more water. Look at that, a little bit. Because you want to keep cooking it. Today we have a secret ingredients. Bing, boom, bang. Bang. Bing. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna do a few more things. In Norcia, in Umbria, we put black truffle. But here we're in Miami. So some people don't even have access to truffle. So we're gonna use truffle oil. This is an infused olive oil with the white truffle. So we're just gonna put few drop. It's up to you. You don't have to. Put the Parmigiano, Reggiano, black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper. And we're just gonna finish our pasta. Are we ready to play this pasta? This pasta is amazing. Oh, look at that. Rigatoni, salsiccia. Fantastic. This is our pasta. Rigatoni alla norcina. Now I'm going to heaven. Heaven, paradiso. This pasta makes people happy. Because pasta make people happy, just in general, you know. Happy. Am I happy? Happy.